everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I'm having a fantastic day. I'm filming a long series of videos because I've had these boxes all sitting on my dining room table for weeks. So I thought I'd better get to it. So today we're going to be unboxing the January Glossybox. It's quite hefty today. So this is, let me just look at my notes, $21 a month US. It comes every single month. And yeah, that's all I have to say about that. It's makeup and skincare, and I often have mixed feelings about this box, but it wins me over more often than it doesn't. So let's see what we have inside. Alright, so first box of the year, 2021. Hope you're all having a great 2021 so far. And it is just our standard pink box. What is this? Coupon for what? Gemist hair care. Alright, this is really heavy. So hopefully we got some good stuff inside. It's like the lid won't even stay shut. It's so full. So let's open it up. That is what it looks like. And the theme is the power of beauty. And then this will tell us the value of everything we have. As always, so nicely wrapped. Try not to wrap it too much. Oh, it looks like I got something in there that I really don't want to get again, but you know, just pass it along. Okay, let's go for this first one. This is from Bioderma Laboratoire Dermatologique. Purifying cleansing micellar solution. So for combination oily skin, so it's micellar water. I already have 2 tarts that are about this size. I just got another one in my last box that I opened from Top Box. So yeah, I'll probably pass this along. I don't know how. Giveaway, just give it away. Yeah, but still nice to get if you don't already have a bunch on the go. Next up, what is this box? Oh, it's heavy. What brand is this? This is from Seed Phytonutrients, lightweight facial lotion supporting independent American farmers who grow our camelina and sunflower seeds for normal to oily skin. Our lightweight facial lotion is designed for a light touch of daily moisture. Dispense 1 pump on the hands and gently massage on the face and neck. That's a nice glass bottle. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, every time. Oh, it's got a nice scent. It's always nice to have facial lotion, so I will be keeping this. Oh, what's this? It's in one little thing. This is Zolt hemp drink mix. Balance your everyday equilibrium in the taste, the flavor, there you go, of coconut. It's caffeine free. So it's a CBD something. Interesting. Yep. It says Zolt CBD drink mixes are optimized for your body's absorption and up to 5 times more effective than any other hemp formats. 20 milligrams of CBD, third-party lab-tested, caffeine-free, made from Kentucky-grown hemp. Interesting. And then they have a bunch of different flavors, so I'm curious to try that for sure. All right, next up, what's this? From After Spa, 2-pack reusable rounds, easy makeup removal while preserving the planet. I do like these a lot. I have received them before, not from this brand, but from another, and I still use them almost every day, and I've had them for over a year, so let's see how they feel. Oh, they're nice size. Very soft. Yeah. Highly recommend getting these if you don't. I hate the feel of cotton pads. Oh, cotton balls. They just make my skin crawl. So this is a nice alternative if you also have that textural ickiness from cotton, the feel of cotton. Yeah. that's good to get. And then I see I get this brand a lot in this box. It's from Coors Hydrobiome Prebiotic Superdose Face Mask. I think I've got this before, actually. Superdose, I meant to say. Microdome friendly. No. Must put on glasses. Where are my glasses? Can't see. Microbiome friendly technology, anti-pollution tested with real Greek yogurt. Yeah, you know, it's nice. It doesn't wow me. I've got this before, so. All right. And then our last item, it feels like, yes, is from High Maintenance Peeling Mask made with cannabis sativa seed oil. So, there's a theme. No makeup products in this box, though, which is disappointing. See what I meant about it? Sometimes it's like, but let's see what the value of the box is before we poo-poo all over it. Okay, so the seed phytonutrients, this is full size, and it is $34. And the After Spa 2-pack reusable rounds, this is obviously full size, $10. The Bioderma Sebium H2O micellar water, full size, $14.90. The Coors Greek Yogurt Probiotic Superdose Face Mask Deluxe Mini, this is valued at $10. And the full size, which is 100 mils, would be $49. The High Beauty Deluxe Mini, this is 20 mils at $20. Full size at 50 mils is $46. And an extra treat is the Zolt 1 Mixie Stick. So one stick is $3.20 and a pack of 10 is $32. So let's add that up and see what our total is. Okay, so the value of our January Glossybox is $92.10, if the Google is not lying to me. So it's $21 a month, but that's before the insane conversion rate from Canadian to American. And I didn't really love anything in this box, so I say I don't love this month. But next month will probably be delightful. Yeah. It was alright. It was okay. Yeah. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you wouldn't mind liking, you can click like down below. You can click here to subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos, there's more here and here for your viewing pleasure. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you all have a great 2021. Can't believe it's already 2021. That's insane. But yeah, I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.